Welcome to YouTube. Today we're diving into one of India's most loved MPVs, the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga ZXI Plus 2025. Whether you're a family person, a fleet owner, or just someone who values practicality and efficiency, this is the car that checks all the right boxes. Let's start with what's under the hood. The 2025 Ertiga ZXI Plus is powered by Maruti's tried and tested 1.5-liter K15C smart hybrid engine, producing 103 PS of power and 137 Nm of torque. You can choose between a 5-speed manual or a smooth 6-speed automatic gearbox. And yes, there's also a CNG variant, which is perfect for those who want maximum fuel savings. The petrol variant gives around 20.5 km/L, while the CNG version delivers up to 26.1 km per kilogram, making it one of the most fuel-efficient 7-seaters in India. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a dual-tone beige and black cabin with wood finish accents. The ZXI Plus trim comes loaded with features like a 7-inch CarPlay Pro touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, cruise control, a reverse parking camera, and push-button start. Rear AC vents, adjustable headrests for all rows, and smart utility spaces make long journeys comfortable for every passenger. In terms of safety, the 2025 Ertiga gets a big update. 6 airbags are now standard on all variants. It also comes with ESP, Hill Hold Assist, ABS with EBD, ISOFIX child seat anchors, and high-speed alert. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, the Ertiga ensures your family stays safe. Now, let's talk looks. The pearl metallic Oxford blue color is the showstopper, rich, bold, and elegant. It makes the Ertiga look way more premium than its price tag suggests. Add to that the smartly designed chrome grille, projector headlamps, and 15-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, and you've got a car that's practical and stylish. So if you're in the market for a reliable, spacious, feature-packed 7-seater that doesn't burn a hole in your pocket, the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga ZXI Plus 2025 is the one to consider. Whether petrol or CNG, this car is built for Indian roads, Indian families, and Indian budgets.